What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, you're about to put some E85 in your 2021 V9.5 Audi A4 hybrid model. That's right, we are the first to release this to the public. So I'm going to show you how you need to do this correctly. Before you go ahead and load an E85 tune on your car, you're going to need to remove the 90-degree octane from your gas tank, of course. So doing so, I'm going to teach you how to do that the easy way. Things you're going to need are OBD11 with your tool of choice, your iPhone, your Samsung, or a tablet. So go ahead and grab your tablet. We're going to connect up OBD11 and we're going to disconnect the fuel line. And then we're going to turn on the pump using OBD11 to drain the tank. So let's do it. All right, here we are in OBD11. Go ahead and connect up to the car. Key on, engine off. Obviously turn on your Bluetooth. So now that we're connected to the car, we do not want to scan it. So we need to go to control units, engine, engine. All right, now that we're connected to the car, we're going to go to basic settings. Pressure release and rail. We're going to go ahead and do that so it releases the pressure from the fuel rail when we're going to disconnect it. Hold the button. Basic settings started. It says it's active. I say give it about 10 to 20 seconds. Our 20 seconds is over. Hold the stop. All right, it's not active anymore. So now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the fuel line from the car. Go ahead and grab tons of shop towels. You probably wanna do this while the engine's cold. Your fuel line's gonna be right here. We're gonna disconnect it. I have this ethanol sensor installed, but you guys, that's in development right now. You guys won't have that option just yet. Really wrap it around it really good here. So when I go, okay. So what you're gonna do, you got the line, you got, pinch it like this. You're gonna pinch it, push that in. So you're gonna push them together, squeeze, pull apart. There you go. Some's gonna leak out right there. Cool. Leave the rags there. Do not open the door of your car. Do not open your door to your car. Do not open any door to the car. Do not touch the car. Nothing. Until you have a fuel line connected to this. Okay, so we got the fuel line right here. Connect this. All right. I'd probably want to put a clamp on that. Let's see if it holds up. Okay, down here. Let's go and back this out. Disconnect that. Point that in there. Nice. Okay. You want it to sit in there. Good. Next up, we're going to go back to the computer. Turn the fuel pump on. All right, so you're going to get a screen like this in basic settings. We were just there. Scroll down to drain fuel pump. I might have passed it. Where was it? First dash. Fuel filling. Drain fuel tank. Sorry, I passed it. Go ahead and hold the button. All right, now you're going to hear the fuel pump draining fuel into the tank.
That's so cool, bro. I like it.
Show you guys. There it is. let it do its job. Keep an eye on this, guys, and make sure that you have good battery voltage. You know, you could put a charger on the car because you are using the fuel pump, but we'll be fine here. See how it's running out? Barely anything coming out. All right, so before we burn the fuel pump up, go ahead and stop it. There's no more fuel coming out of it. You need to stop it. There we go. We now have all of the 93 octane out of the tank, and we're gonna go ahead and put in the full E85. All right, now that you guys loaded up your E85 tune, you put E85 in the tank, we are now ready to start your car up. Let's go enjoy this tune.